Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad using mayonnaise. First, select your fresh ingredients. Think about what you enjoy most, like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and crunchy cucumbers. Next, decide on your protein. Cooked chicken, hard-boiled eggs, or even canned tuna work wonderfully. Finally, wash and chop all your vegetables into uniform, bite-sized pieces, ensuring they are completely dry for the best texture. Now that your ingredients are ready, it's time to combine them. Carefully place all your chopped vegetables and chosen protein into a spacious mixing bowl. This is also a great time to add any extra ingredients you love, such as finely diced celery, red onion, or colorful bell peppers. Gently toss everything together, ensuring an even mix before adding the star ingredient. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music while you cook or setting timers for your salad prep. You can find the link and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. The key to a delicious mayonnaise-based salad is the dressing. In a separate small bowl, measure out your desired amount of mayonnaise. Start with about 1/4 cup for a medium salad. Season it generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder. For a brighter flavor, consider adding a splash of fresh lemon juice or a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mix until smooth and creamy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.